In this video, you'll learn what is better, dropshipping or affiliate marketing. Hey guys, Adam here, and welcome to my channel Snag Success, where I share tips and tricks on how you can start making money online and gain financial freedom. So what's better, dropshipping or affiliate marketing? And which one's better, which one makes more money, and which one should you do? Okay, so before I get into this, let me tell you a little bit of story, not too much, but of what the business models I picked. So first of all, I started with affiliate marketing. Okay, and once I started, I had no guidance. I bought a couple of different courses, but I lost like $2,000 in ads, around 2,000. Okay, not exactly. And so after that, what I did was I tried dropshipping, and actually was quite successful with dropshipping. I actually made a couple of profitable stores. So I made a couple of different profitable stores with dropshipping. However, after that, I actually switched over to affiliate marketing. I'll tell you why. Affiliate marketing, and I'm still doing affiliate marketing. So let's start with affiliate marketing. What are the pros? What are the cons? And whatnot, and how much can you make and whatnot. So with affiliate marketing, right, your profit margins are high to medium, and the reason I say this is because with dropshipping, your profit margins are going to be not as high as affiliate marketing because of two things. First thing is you're going to need to buy the product itself and also pay for the shipping. With affiliate marketing, you're not. You're just recommending a product, okay? That's one thing affiliate marketing has over dropshipping. And then the second thing is the way you promote affiliate marketing, the way you promote affiliate products is generally using free traffic like Google search traffic. You're also going to use a traffic, and you're also going to use something like Quora. You're also going to use YouTube. You're also going to have your own blog and stuff. Whereas dropshipping, right, you're mainly going to use paid. Okay, mainly. Yes, you can use free, but mainly you're going to use something like Facebook ads or Google ads for something like this. And yes, you could use you could also use paid traffic for affiliate marketing, but I personally, what I found was free traffic just converts better. It's just a lot better, and it's more passive and whatnot. So let me talk about passive and whatnot. So with affiliate marketing, right, affiliate marketing is way more passive, hands down passive, because what you're doing is essentially creating different blogs, creating different websites, and you're trying to rank them on Google, and you're also creating YouTube videos, doing some Quora, and just, again, it's like a circle. You're getting more and more traffic from all of these, and over time you start making more and more money, and you could have more and more blogs. So that's why you're making more and more money passively, completely passively. Okay, guys? With dropshipping, right, you can make it passive, don't get me wrong. Okay, I didn't get to that stage yet before I quit. But with dropshipping, once you have your store set up and it's making at least, I'd say at least $15,000 to $20,000 in profit. Yes, you can do it before that. If that's how much profit you're getting, you could start hiring VAs to fulfill your orders, and you could also hire and then you will need people to also run your Facebook ads and all these different ads, and test out products, do deals, all that. That's going to require more money. So again, to be fully passive with dropshipping, you're going to need you're going to need to make a lot of money with dropshipping to really make it passive, okay? So, and then the last reason I'll tell you guys why affiliate marketing is better and why dropshipping is not as good. Well, no. Okay, no. Both of them are good, and both of them earn decent. But let me show you. When you get started with affiliate marketing, I actually made a video on this about how much the cost would be. It's less than actually $300, around $300, I'd say. Is how much it costs to start a successful and proper affiliate marketing business. Okay, you can probably go lower than this, but this is what I'd consider, proper. You spending enough money and investing in your own business. Okay, and for say drop shipping, it'd be like at least see Franklin actually. I'll tell you who Franklin is. Franklin actually recommends 500. I'd say you need at least $100,000. Okay, for dropshipping when you're starting. Yes, you can start out with less, and yes, you can see more results and invest like that and go up like that. But if you want to do properly, testing out products and all that, it's gonna cost money. Okay, it's gonna cost money, and you know, I'd recommend if you're starting out and you're new and you have less, you only have like around $300 or less. I'd suggest you stick with affiliate marketing. Okay, and what's the earning potential now? Lastly, what's the earning potential for both of these? Both of these could earn 7 figures and more. Okay, 7 figures and more. Well, okay, with drop shipping, you obviously gonna move. You can earn 7 figures. However, with drop shipping, you're obviously gonna, after you're earning 6 figures, 6 figures, you're gonna switch over to wholesaling, right? You're not gonna stick to drop shipping. You're going to go wholesale, so that way you can earn you can earn also 7 figures. So I guess it comes down to how much money do you have to spend. If it's less than 300 or less than 500, I would go with affiliate marketing. If it's more, I'd look into dropshipping. However, I personally like affiliate marketing a lot more. It's just simpler. It does take more time. It does take more effort, but it's just way more passive, and I just like it way more than dropshipping. Okay, but that's just my opinion. You guys can also do dropshipping. Anyways, so before I leave, if you're starting either one of these, okay, guys. So if you're starting either one of these, I highly recommend you guys get a proper course. Okay, you get a proper training, and I always recommend Savage Affiliates, course by Franklin Hatchett, who makes 7 figures from affiliate marketing, from dropshipping, and from software businesses. Like all these, he has done all these different businesses, and he's making a lot of money from those. So, and the thing about his course is his course is one of the most one of the cheapest courses out there. Okay, it's $197 for his affiliate marketing course, and his other one, the eCom Elites. It's also $197, but there's also like a $297 offer. I forgot what it was, but I've reviewed both of the courses. This one's called Savage Affiliates, and the other one's called eCom Elites. Make sure you check out the reviews in the description. But the thing is, guys, he is okay. So you can go out there, YouTube, and do all this yourself, and potentially lose like $2,000 like I did. Or you can actually get one of the courses. These are actually quite cheap, guys. Okay, I can actually promote courses which are like almost like $2,000. There's courses out there which are $2,000, and they offer less value than this. Okay, that's insane. These are among the most among the most affordable and information filled, value filled courses out there in the market you can find. Okay, there's no other courses you guys can find in the market which are better than this. Let me know if you do, but I highly doubt it. And I've done a ton of different reviews on other products I bought, the other courses I bought, and none of them can even compare. You could go on my website. I'll go snacksuccess.com. I have a ton of different reviews on all of them. So, and again, I can promote this, and I'd probably make more money. But the problem with that is, A, you won't see more results, and B, there'll be a high refund rate. Okay, guys. So that's that. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I just wanted to quickly go over which one's better, dropshipping or affiliate marketing. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. See you guys next time.